In today's video, I'm going to share with you all some unusual hair care habits that actually promotes hair growth. So let's go. Hey my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I am Indu and I make content on beauty and lifestyle. So if you're someone looking for tips and tricks to promote healthy hair growth and also improve hair texture, then I think you are in the right place, because in this video that's exactly what I'm gonna share. Trust me on that. It all starts with deep conditioning. Always make sure to apply some kind of hair oil or hair mask according to your hair needs at least once a week, no matter what. Because the thing is, when your hair is more dry, it is more prone to breakage and becoming more damaged. So it's better to deep condition your hair as much as possible, because that way it will maintain its elasticity and also its healthy state. For a deep conditioning session, I like to use little bit of coconut oil, preferably extra virgin coconut oil, and also mix it up with little bit of castor oil. I massage it into my scalp really well, leave it overnight and wash it away the next day. So that's what I do. Now obviously I am not able to do this every single week, so at least I make sure to do it at least once a month. Alright, now I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you brush your hair before going to bed? Now I know you might be thinking that I have come over here to watch this video just to know some hair growth tips, and this girl is asking me, do I brush my hair or not? Now the thing is, what happens when you brush your hair, especially creating little bit of pressure on your scalp, you regulate blood circulation, and automatically when your blood circulation is increased, your hair grows much faster and healthier. What I like to do is use a wooden comb and simply comb my hair, creating little bit of pressure on my scalp. This will increase blood circulation, and as I said, that increasing blood circulation increases hair growth and promotes healthy growth, I would say. One last thing that you want to do before going to bed is simply protect your hair, and how you can do that is by simply doing it in the old school way, that is braiding your hair. Now I like to braid my hair. If you don't like to braid your hair before going to bed, you can also use some satin scarf and cover your hair with that thing and then go to bed. Now one thing that you want to make sure is, don't braid your hair or don't tie your hair too tight before going to bed, because that way it can affect the texture of the hair and also cause breakage, and also scalp में strands बहुत ज़्यादा pull होंगे and it will cause irritation the next day. So it's better to, not tie your hair too tight. Alright, so the next habit is something that I like to do after I am done washing my hair, and that is taking the last rinse with cold water. If you are someone like me who does not like to use conditioner after using shampoo, this trick will make a huge difference in your hair texture. Now rinsing your hair with cold water locks in moisture, tames down frizz, provides shine to the hair and also make them more softer. And for some reason I have also noticed that whenever I rinse my hair with cold water, my hair looks more straighter than before. Alrighty, I know it feels so good wrapping your towel and moving all around the house, but don't do this. I request you, please stop twisting your hair with your towel, because whenever you do that, anyways, when your hair is wet, it is more fragile and more prone to damage and breakage, and ऊपर से you are just twisting it and wrapping it around your towel. That will not do any good. So stop doing it. What I like to do is I squeeze out all of the excess water from my hair first, and then just pat dry my hair with the towel, and once I'm done squeezing out all of the excess water, I just leave it alone and let it air dry. Which brings me to the next point, that is, stop using too much heating tools in your hair, because let's be real, it damages the hair to another level. You get so many tools these days just to dry your hair and provide heat to your hair and for styling your hair. So it's better to avoid as much heat as possible in your hair, because you know what, whenever you use too much heat in your hair, you are literally frying up your hair, and destroying the hair texture, and when you want to bring back the hair texture, it's gonna take a long time. So it's better to avoid as much heating tools as possible. I know you won't be able to avoid it like 100%. I know that occasionally kabhi kabhi theek hai, but don't do it every day or very frequently. The next problem is something that most women face, that is losing hair from a particular area of the scalp or widening up of the partition. Now to avoid that, what I like to do is simply change my partition as frequently as possible. What is possible? As frequently as possible. Not that I change my partition every single hour or every single minute, but I like to change up my partition every like 2-3 days. Now if you're trying to grow out your hair and simply don't want to cut your hair from the ends and you are facing a lot of dead ends and also split ends, I have a trick for you. What you want to do is simply apply some kind of oil or serum, whatever you prefer, every single day just on the ends of your hair, so that way you are not gonna face a lot of breakage. And when you face a lot of breakage, you feel like your hair is not growing, so then you feel the need to cut your hair from the ends. So that's something that you can do if you are trying to grow out your hair and you are facing a lot of split ends or dead ends. Alright, so with that being said, we have come to an end of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. रुको, bloopers देख के जाओ. You're done. For my deep, some aloe vera gel, not aloe vera gel, honey.